Hello, I'm the Northman. Welcome to your daily dose of cryptocurrency news. Let's get into today's article. XRP co-creator calls Bitcoin a technological dead end. Here's why. Ripple CTO Emeritus David Schwartz called Bitcoin a technological dead end comparable to the dollar as XRP is consolidating after V-shaped recovery from 115 lows. The dead end argument. Schwartz on Thursday on X responded to a user asking if he's considering working on Bitcoin again after co-creating the XRP ledger. He said, "Not really. I think Bitcoin is largely a technological dead end for the same reason the dollar is," he wrote. Schwartz argued Bitcoin's success doesn't depend on blockchain innovation. The technology just doesn't seem to matter as much as its success, at least not at the blockchain layer. He explained the core function investors care about isn't new features, but the simple expectation that Bitcoin remains usable and transferable in the future. For 99% of what makes Bitcoin interesting, all the blockchain needs is to be able to allow people to rely on being able to hold and transfer Bitcoin in the future, he said. However, he acknowledged one exemption. Bitcoin will eventually need a fork to be a quantum proof. Without quantum resistant upgrades, Bitcoin will collapse. The centralization debate. The comments emerged from a broader debate about XRP ledger genesis. Bitcoin advocate Bram Kanstein claimed XRP's missing early history proves centralization. The ledger starts at block 32,570, not block 1. Which is also a valid argument. Schwartz countered that Bitcoin experienced at least 2 incidents that show way more centralization, specifically referencing the coordinated 2010 rollback after the value overflow bug. The value overflow bug created 184 billion Bitcoin in August 2010. Bitcoin stakeholders actively intervened to fix the critical bug, rolling back the blockchain, an example of centralized coordination that critics cite to prove Bitcoin's immutability relies on human intervention. On XRP's genesis, Schwartz argued the decision was not to make any coordinated changes and just live with it when ledger 1 to 32,569 were lost due to a software bug in June 2020. That is a long time ago. XRP is consolidating after recovering from the 1.15 capitulation low. The super trend at 1.29.89 flipped green below price for the first time since the decline began. A bullish development suggesting near-term momentum shifted to buyers. The price sits just below the middle Bollinger Band at 137, which acts as immediate resistance. Immediate support is the super trend at 129, with secondary support at 120 to 125. For bulls, XRP needs to break and hold about 140, then push through the upper Bollinger Band at 144. Resistance stacks at 140, 145, 150, and the descending trend line from the $2.5 peaks. And that was the article. Hope that you liked it, and if you did, then like and subscribe and comment down below for more content like this. And I will see you in the next one.